Let's make video editing easy by using templates that we can reuse and customize to our own brand. It'll make editing so much faster and make our videos look consistently appealing to our audience. So to get these templates, you want to type in VEED.new into your URL or click on the first link in the description. It'll pop up a new project box here in the VEED online editor, and the templates are in their own section here. You can access hundreds of different styles and layouts, from 9x16 shorts about a new position that you're hiring for, all the way to motion graphic intros for conferences and podcasts. There are so many things to choose from, so I definitely recommend that you have a scroll through and see what works for you. For this video, I'm going to be using a template for a new Instagram ad about my new course that's coming out, and I think this template suits perfectly. So now that we have it ready, we can actually get to the editing. Once you've clicked on the template, it'll appear on your timeline here with all of its different elements. You can change the color, the size, and the positioning of each element that's on there, or you can just remove them all together if you want. So for this template, we can see that a video is actually being used already, some stock footage, and I want to replace that with my own video. So to do that, let's click on the video, and at the top you'll see an option to replace video, where you can choose from your own files or other stock footage. And a quick tip, if you need to upload any more of your own footage, then you can do so through the media tab. So we've got our own video in there, so it's starting to look a little bit more like our brand, but let's edit it up to our own unique style. For the most part, I just changed up the color palette to fit my brand and also altered the video, but one cool thing that I added was actually an audio waveform that automatically follows the music, and you can do this with voice, not only just music. To find this, you can just see it in the elements tab, and there's a bunch of different audio waveforms that you can choose from. And if you want a whole video that talks about audio waveforms and how to use them in the videos and how to use them on VEED, then feel free to click on this video over here. So it's looking great now. I think it's ready for us to download and share to Instagram. Head over to the top right so we can export this video. We can see the different resolutions, but since we used a video template, we can just click the HD preset, and then once that's done, just hit the export button and let that render. And here it is, ready for us to download, share to social media, or even embed into our website. There are an insane amount of templates here, so please make sure that you check them out in the link in the description and find what works for your brand. Let me know in the comments down below if there's anything specific that you want us to cover. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and got some value from it. And here are 2 videos that you can watch to improve your editing and improve your videos. But that's it for now. I'll see you guys in one of those videos. Goodbye.